Hello everyone, welcome to the Math Majestic YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve a problem of complex analysis which was asked by some viewer of my channel, and the problem is show that f of z is equal to 1 by z square is uniformly continuous in the region mod of z less than equal to 1 by 2 than greater than equal to 1 by 2 less than equal to 1. f of z 1 by z square एक uniformly continuous function होगा in this region. Here f of z is equal to 1 by z square. Suppose that f of z is equal to 1 by z square is uniformly continuous in the region this. हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस फंक्शन को यूनिफॉर्मली कॉन्टिन्यूस लेकर चल रहे हैं गिवन रीजन में. देन बाय डेफिनेशन ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म कॉन्टिन्यूटी for a given epsilon positive we can choose delta positive such that f of z minus f of z का मोड इक्वल किसके होगा. f of z here is 1 by z square and f of z नॉट, अगर इसमें z को z नॉट पुट करेंगे तो 1 by z नॉट स्क्वेयर. This is less than epsilon whenever z minus z naught is less than delta, because the function we are assuming here is uniformly continuous. So by definition of uniform continuity, this happens where delta depends only on epsilon and not on the particular choice of the point z naught. This is the key point of the definition of uniform continuity, that delta here depends only on epsilon and not on the choice of z naught, not of the choice of the point. It depends only on the choice of epsilon. So if z and z naught are any points in this region, then 1 by z square minus 1 by z naught square is equal to, take LCM here, z square z naught square, ऊपर आ जाएगा z square minus z naught square, then so z naught square minus z square by z square z naught square का मोड, that is equal to, here we use the formula for a square minus b square, z plus z naught का मोड and mod of z minus z naught. माइनस कॉमन ले लें तो भी कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता, इसलिए हमने z प्लस जेड नॉट और z माइनस जेड नॉट लिखा है. नीचे मोड ऑफ जेड स्क्वेयर जेड नॉट स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू मोड ऑफ जेड स्क्वेयर एंड मोड ऑफ जेड नॉट स्क्वेयर, एंड दिस इज लेस देन, this is the basic property of modulus. Mod of z plus z naught is less than equal to mod of z plus mod of z naught, mod of z minus z naught as it is, and mod of z square z naught square. This is less than equal to, because mod of z less than equal to 1 है and mod of z naught also lies in this region, so both are less than equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 2, so this is less than equal to 2 mod of z minus z naught, and 1 by z square and 1 by z naught square also less than equal to 4. So this is less than equal to 4 into 4. अब देखिए ये कैसे less than equal to 4 हुआ, since mod of z जो है that is greater than equal to 1 by 2 and mod of z naught is also greater than equal to 1 by 2. Take reciprocal here, mod of 1 by mod of z less than equal to 2 and 1 by mod of z naught is also less than equal to 2. If we square both side, 1 by mod of z square less than equal to 4 and 1 by mod of z naught square less than equal to 4. So this is less than equal to 4 and 1 by z naught square is also less than equal to 4. So this becomes less than equal to 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 16 into 2 32 mod of z minus z naught. Here we got this is less than equal to 32 mod of z minus z naught. Now if we take delta is equal to epsilon by 32, it follows that 1 by z square minus z 1 by z naught square is less than epsilon, and this is for given statement, for given z minus z naught less than delta, we have got f of z minus f of z naught less than epsilon. That means this ensures that f of z is equal to 1 by z square. This is uniformly continuous function in this region. So we have solved here that this is a uniformly continuous function in this region. So friends, if you like my video and if my videos are helpful for you, then please like my videos, subscribe my channel and keep sharing my channel. Thank you very much.